First Alert Forecast with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
I'm going to walk you through some of our sky cams so you get a sense of the conditions around Southern California. Big Bear is picking up a little bit of light snow. You can see it in the foreground, but not as much as you're finding at the tram. The reason for that, this system is coming up from the south, so it actually gets to the top of San Jacinto before headed over to San Gorgonio. So a little more snow here in our local mountains in Riverside County. And in downtown Palm Springs, I've been watching, and you've been seeing folks go by with windshield wipers on and some umbrellas. Doesn't look terribly wet, but some light showers in Palm Springs as well. And here in Thousand Palms, we're picking up rain. You're looking at this line of showers moving in very steadily. The rain thins out a bit. Again, this storm has moisture associated with it, obviously. We're picking it up, but it's not really moisture laden. The heaviest stuff still on the other side of the mountains, and particularly around Marietta, Temecula, stretching down toward Fallbrook. A line of pretty good showers there. A little spot of heavier precipitation just off the coast at Oceanside. You're seeing snow across areas from the top of the tram on over toward Big Bear, but this is much lighter precipitation, and then light to moderate showers on the valley floor. Here's where we're seeing the snow, right at the top of the tram, and then as you move into the San Bernardino County mountains through here, and as you work your way over toward Wrightwood, not as much of the precipitation falling there yet. All of that falls under the winter weather advisory that goes into effect in just a few minutes. It will last until 10 o'clock tonight. We have a wind advisory until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We've seen some gusty winds here on the valley floor, but not like what we've been seeing as that storm came ashore around San Diego. So that low moving in and bringing with it the moisture, keeping our temperatures capped in the 60s today. It's rather cool. And when the rain started, we actually dropped in temperature. Rain is an evaporative process. It cools things off. So we went from the 60s to the 50s in Cathedral City and Palm Desert. So you can tell where it's raining, and a little shower activity took us down from 64 to 61 in Palm Springs. And in terms of the winds, it's getting a little gusty around the valley. Winds up around 22 miles per hour in Cathedral City, 25 mile per hour wind gust here in Thousand Palms, Desert Hot Springs, similar numbers. And the peak gusts have been up around that 25 mile per hour mark, which is about where we thought they'd be. Below advisory status, but certainly enough to get your attention. Now, the showers move out fairly quickly. Just moving into the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock time frame, you still see some active showers over Palm Springs on the future cast, even into the 6 o'clock hour, but it is really more focused on the tops of the mountain ridges. And by 10 o'clock tonight, that stuff's out of here. And I really think it'll be out of here by 7 o'clock. So you're going to see some shower activity sticking around for a little while. We'll clear out. Again, still expecting that 1/10 of an inch of rainfall or thereabouts. Numbers will go down pretty quickly under the cloudy skies, but we'll clear out tonight, and then we're going to warm up for tomorrow. Your Comfort Air 7-day forecast looking pretty good.